Now, normally on Studio 9, I'll grab a delicious treat and I'll start making over-the-top facial expressions. But these particular treats are not for humans. They're for someone so much more important, like Miss Ladybug here. Joining me is a lady who invented an entire company named BarknBistro, Kelly Evans, because little Miss Ladybug here was having some problems. Tell us about those problems.
She had a few issues with her. So she had GI issues and she wasn't gaining the weight that she needed to. And with the dog food that she was taking, I'm not going to mention, it was causing her issues. So I created a blend, put some herbals in there and some supplements. And as you see, she's packed on all the weight that she would have gained.
She's 10 years old.
Yes.
So you literally started a company because you couldn't find the right diet for her. Correct. So you just started making it. And you started a service.
Yes.
Tell us about these packets right here.
So that is a custom blend for Miss Ladybug, and basically each blend is specific to each dog's dietary needs. So when I have a client that comes in with the dog, I ask what's their issue, their allergies, and I formulate the diet around that pup.
My goodness. And so she's healthy. You will set up a service basically by the week or the month, whatever you want.
Yes.
And you make it yourself. No preservatives, nothing in there.
Everything is all natural. You package it, you freeze it, and take it out daily as you need it and let it thaw out, room temperature.
Oh my goodness. And she looks so beautiful with her little bow. She got all dressed up for TV, didn't she?
Yes,
she
was
looks
groomed.
Great. But you've got more than that going on. In addition to providing great diets for dogs who have some problems and you want to keep them as long as you can, you'll host little parties for dogs.
Absolutely.
So BarknBistro gets even more glamorous.
Absolutely.
Tell us about this.
So these are our pup cupcakes, and we did that in honor of Black History Month, and everything is all natural. The icing we did with peanut butter, applesauce, and food coloring, and we have this as an option for people, for dogs, for birthdays, etc., and different events.
So if you want to host a special party for your Miss Ladybug, they call you.
Absolutely.
You come out, you bring out the treats, which are perfectly healthy for them.
Yes.
Set up for example, you have all these jerkies. Tell us about this.
So basically I take like the steak flanks and I put liquid smoke on them, I dehydrate them, and that's it, package them up. And that is actually a big seller right there.
Really?
Yes.
But the bling goes even further.
Yes.
So now BarknBistro has branched out into your own water supply?
Absolutely.
Okay, you've got water, and of course you can't do anything without the proper fashion. Tell us about the BarknBistro fashion.
So we have our shirts, and they are available at retail for sale for dog owners, and that also is available on our Instagram page, which you can contact us on also on Facebook. Yes, and I make them myself.
Okay, let's also talk about like this beautiful bowl here of all natural stuff. It all goes back to natural ingredients and no preservatives.
Absolutely, yes. And it just it's good for the dog's digestive system, and it basically, their health, their life with us is prolonged. And that's what I want.
You want the dog to be as happy as possible.
And then be with me as long as possible, because I can't imagine losing my babies. I can't.
Oh, Miss Ladybug, she's so beautiful. I don't blame you. If you want to reach out to BarknBistro, you've got quite a social media presence, don't you?
Absolutely, yes.
We're going to put up all the information on the screen for you to reach out to Kelly and host a great party. Next time, you can even one Mother's Day, you had moms over and everybody brought their dogs, and it was fabulous.
At Kendra Scott, jewelry store. It was awesome. Yes, absolutely.
Oh, wow. Kelly, fabulous creativity, and thank you so much.
Thank you.